Looking for an awesome, completely renovated home in the greater San Diego area with a gorgeous lake just steps from your door? Well, stay tuned. You've come to the right place because we're selling this home real soon. I'm Erik Braceland with Braceland Homes here in sunny San Diego, California, where we guarantee the sale and or purchase of your home. Welcome to Eastlake at Chula Vista, California. This beautiful lake, complete with a wraparound walking path and paddle boats. How cool is that? There's literally just steps from the amazing condo we are in the process of putting the finishing touches on. If you're unfamiliar with the area, Eastlake is the crown jewel of South San Diego County. So much to do here without even leaving Chula Vista, but also just minutes from everything else San Diego has to offer. I'm going to show you what we're doing on our final phase of this renovation in just a moment, but I wanted to address some of the other recent improvements to this deluxe condo with two separate balconies. Did I mention the marvelous fireplace for you to gather around during the upcoming holidays? Every inch of this home has been remodeled. Exquisite hickory hardwood flooring pleases the eyes and the feet. Granite countertops now grace the tops of the new bathroom vanities, along with fabulous new fixtures, flooring, and showers. If you enjoy popcorn, I'm sorry, because it's all been scraped from the newly refinished vaulted ceilings. Now let's see what's going on in that kitchen. So with the exception of the new hardwood flooring, this builder's special original equipment 80s kitchen ain't cutting it. Fluorescent lighting, gone. Claustrophobic cabinets over the sink blocking our view of our guests in the living room, gone. Raised ceiling, crown molding, recessed LED lighting, and a pop of beautiful Teton blue color. Yes, please. How about a magnificent slab of Sequel Encore majestic white quartz with which to shape the new kitchen counters? Oh yeah, this is going to be nice. Okay, that's it for now. Give me a call for pricing or to arrange a private showing. And don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with anyone that might be interested. See you next time.